Hey makers and creators, I'm Liju and we are diving into the world of DIY with a fantastic project, making a stylish and functional laptop stand. Stylish but functional. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just love a good crafting session, this one is for you. Let's get started. I'll be using photo frame hooks, drawing board metal clips, some wood sticks. You can use a sunboard or any other board, ruler, cutter, handsaw blade. I don't know what the outcome will be. While uncertain about the outcome, I'm confident that something fruitful will arise. Hey friends, haven't you subscribed my channel yet? Very bad, very bad. Your subscription motivates me to create more and more videos for you. I always feel I should share my ideas across and not just keep it within me. People like me who is enthusiastic in creativity rather buying ready-made stuff from shops get a lot of satisfaction when we see the final outcome of our work. TV bracket for wall mounting. In this option, you get the liberty to turn the laptop however you want. But there will be around 2 inches gap between the wall and the laptop. Option 2 is directly pasting the stand on the wall. In this option there won't be any movement, it will be directly stuck on the wall. But I think I liked directly mounting on the wall. There is no gap, there won't be any gap in between wall and the laptop. It looks good, neat and tidy. Now I get enough space on my table. I can use it however I want, and there is no gap, and it is little more sturdy than the previous option, so I personally like this one. I can keep my paint, brushes, papers however I want. There is ample of space. I can use my tablet pen for doing illustration work. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.